All right, we are going to be going over how to generate a citation for your paper. It's going to be any kind of paper. Specifically, we're going to be doing MLA citations because that is the common citation style used in English. But you can also use this tool for other citation styles as well. So up here at the top, I am going to type in EasyBib. EASYBIB.com. I'm going to hit enter. And then it's going to give me an option. It's going to say you can check your paper, create citation. I'm going to create citation. So I'm going to hit that right there. Down here you can choose either a website, a book, or a journal. And then there's other options down here as well. Because I am going to be using a website for the specific one, I'm going to hit website. Once here, I can hit the search by keyword or URL. Over here I have my article and I have my URL, so I'm just going to copy and then paste my URL, hit search. And then EasyBib will find my URL on the page. Sometimes multiple will come up, so just find the exact one that you are using, and I'm going to hit cite. So it looks like they have found the article title, URL, website title, date access, and date published. But they haven't been able to find for me the publisher or sponsor. So anything on this left-hand side right here, this is going to be what EasyBib has found on the web. And then on the right-hand side, this is going to be what you're going to have to go back and find in your article in order to complete the citation. So it doesn't do all the work for you, unfortunately. So you're going to hit continue. All right, so let's see here it says add in any information you have below. The starred boxes are strongly suggested. I want you guys to make sure you have everything filled out. So they already has our author. It already has our website. Looks like they did find the publisher / sponsor. But if you find up here, it says it found the author. That says the Learning Network. But we want to go back and just make sure that that is our correct author. So yeah, you can see right here, the Learning Network, August 4th, 2021, August 4th, 2021. So you make sure you want to go back and see that everything has been up to date. So I'm actually going to go down here. I'm going to see, all right, the New York Times. That looks good. So as you can see, we have everything, everything here. However, I want you to notice that the author, it has first name as the learning and last name as network. So that's going to change our citation a little bit. Because the Learning Network is one group and it's not necessarily a first name and a last name, we're going to put that together. So the Learning Network is going to be in here. All right, so then I'm going to hit complete citation. And so as you can see here, I have my citation right here. You can actually just hover over it. You can hit copy citation. You can also hit copy in text citation, which we've talked about in class as well. So you can just copy those, paste in any of those direct or paraphrased quotes you might have. So you can hit copy full citation, put it on your citation page. And then boom, there you go, you have it done. You can also choose any of these other fonts. However, if you want to use APA or Chicago, you have to make your own, you have to sign up on the website. So you have to make a page with EasyBib. And that's pretty easy, pretty self-explanatory. You just hit the sign up button. And then you'll register just like you would anywhere else with your email and password. But like I said, this isn't required for what we're doing. You can stay on here right here because we are using MLA. You can just hit copy citation, and then that'll be copied for you, and then you can just paste it in your works cited page.